Case title, People of the Philippines versus Marivic Genosa, GR No 135981, January 15th, 2004, J. Panganiban. Doctrine. The Battered Woman Syndrome, BWS, may be invoked as a defense, not to completely exonerate the accused, but to mitigate criminal liability when there is no immediate unlawful aggression. In such cases, the mitigating circumstance of having acted upon an impulse so powerful due to cumulative provocation may be considered. Facts. Marivic Genosa was charged with parricide for killing her husband, Ben Genosa, on November 15, 1995. She admitted to killing him but claimed self-defense under the Battered Woman Syndrome, BWS, citing years of physical and psychological abuse inflicted upon her by her husband. Genosa argued that the severe beatings and emotional torment she suffered led to a psychological state where her ability to resist or control her actions was diminished. The regional trial court found her guilty of parricide, appreciating treachery as an aggravating circumstance, and sentenced her to death. On appeal, Genosa raised the novel defense of BWS. Issue 1. Whether Marivic Genosa was entitled to complete self-defense under the Battered Woman Syndrome. 2. Whether treachery qualified the killing to parricide. Held. The Supreme Court ruled that Genosa was not entitled to complete self-defense because there was no immediate unlawful aggression from her husband when she killed him. However, the court recognized the mitigating circumstance of diminished capacity due to the psychological effects of prolonged abuse under BWS. The repeated and severe beatings had broken down her psychological resistance and self-control, entitling her to the benefits of mitigating circumstances under paragraphs 9 and 10 of Article 13 of the Revised Penal Code. The court also found that treachery was not present, as the killing did not involve any form of deliberate or calculated means that would have left the victim defenseless. Genosa's death penalty sentence was reduced to reclusion perpetua in light of the mitigating circumstances arising from her condition as a battered woman. Disposition. Wherefore, the decision of the regional trial court is modified. Marivic Genosa is found guilty of parricide but sentenced to reclusion perpetua instead of death. She is entitled to the mitigating circumstances of diminished willpower due to cumulative provocation and passion or obfuscation. She may apply for parole as she has already served the minimum period of her sentence.